Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, this is me, Promise. Yeah.
Is this Promise, right?
Yes, this is Promise. Mabel, listen to me. Let me tell you
Don't
something.
talk to me like that. Let's talk.
Listen to me. We're
Don't talk to
not
me like that.
quarreling. We are
No,
not
don't
quarreling.
talk to me like that.
We are not quarreling. Relax,
Don't
relax,
insult me.
relax,
Don't
relax.
insult me.
We are not
Don't
quarreling.
insult
Relax.
me. Don't insult me.
You
Don't
said,
talk like that.
no, relax.
Don't
No,
talk
I
like
don't
that.
want you to
Don't
go
you
off.
come here
See,
to make
I don't
things
want
up.
you to go off. Relax, relax,
Let me tell
relax.
you what to do.
Relax,
You
relax.
keep
Don't shout.
quiet.
Relax.
You keep quiet and let me
Relax.
welcome you. You keep quiet and let me welcome you.
Oh yeah, welcome me, my dear. Welcome me.
And I'm going to welcome you and I'm going to tell you if you are the father of Valerie, what to do. That is all. For
See,
you
listen,
to
we're not quarreling. Relax. See,
if you are going to insult me,
Mabel, listen. Can I say something for 1 minute?
You keep quiet. This is my platform. Let me welcome you first.
Oh yeah, welcome me. Go ahead and welcome me. No problem.
And don't interrupt me before I finish talking.
Okay.
I will give you to speak only what concerns Valerie.
That's fine. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Say it.
Okay, now, you said you are the father of Valerie. So, guys, does Valerie look like him? Just wait till we are here.
You brought me here to ask me questions, or you said I should come to show my face?
You have to come and show your face. Oh.
You are even shaking. You are already nervous. See, I want to ask you something.
Wait,
listen.
You are not ready.
Mabel, you called Valerie's grandmom. Listen, you called Valerie's grandmom to tell her not to accept me as the father. You are trying to work on this. See, I am too big to come to social media and be fighting you. I'm taking it legally. I have everything that it takes. I'm not a boy. You know me. I've seen you before. We're not quarreling.
You are not allowed to talk until I welcome you. This is my platform. I am the lady here. Okay, I am the chair lady. All right, I am the chair lady. I rule my world. So you are welcome to my platform. I have to introduce you to my fans.
Thank you very much, Mabel.
That I'm a woman doesn't make any fucking difference.
Take it easy. You are being nervous. You are shaking. Take it easy. Comport yourself, please.
I will remove you
comport yourself. I'm not insulting you. Comport yourself, please.
Take it easy. Do you know how it works? You are too fast. When you welcome someone into your platform, you introduce the person. After introducing the person, you cannot say maybe. Am I your mate? So
it's okay. Say what you want to say. I'm here. I want to debunk what you've been saying since. Just say what you want to say. I'm here. I'm not going to stay long. I'm not going to stay long. I'm not going to be here forever. I just want to show my face so that your followers can see me and see how you are manipulating them. You are manipulating people. You called Valerie's grandmom yesterday to tell them that Valerie, that they should accept to say that Valerie is not. Okay, go on.
Do you want me to talk to you? Do you want me to talk to you?
I don't want to go off. I want to talk to you.
Wait.
Okay,
see,
I'm waiting.
Promise. If you don't have me and you are not supposed to be having issue. You are supposed to be the nicest person to me, even. Now, I'm going to give you the guideline. I'm not going to ask my followers any questions anymore because I wanted to ask them questions. You refuse me.
You're not a lawyer. You're not a lawyer. You don't have to give me any guideline, my dear.
You wait. You are doing
it. Talk.
I will take you out.
I'm listening. Say it.
Is Valerie your daughter?
Yes, my biological daughter. I'll prove it to you.
Okay.
Take your time. I'm just asking your question.
I only ask you one question. You must answer me yes or no.
There's no storytelling here.
There's no Sam. We are not in court. You can't tell me story. I'm not interested. Are you the biological father of Valerie?
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
I'm not talking to your child. She's too even young to come to this platform. Normally, you are doing the. See, I'm talking to you, not your son.
I don't want to say yes or no.
I'm talking to you. Yes.
Yes. Okay. You know the right procedure. You can go to a court. I'm going to just give you guideline on what to do. You go to court or you go to any nearby police station, or go to a lawyer, go and claim your child. Would you do that, please, for her?
Because I'm doing that already. It's on process. Austrian government is working on it. Don't worry about that. Okay, you don't have to tell me what to do. Okay, yeah, continue.
Why bringing out to social media? Why bringing out to social media if you are the father?
You are the one bringing her to. See, I'm angry because you are bringing the little girl to social media, and you are saying too many bad things about me. I don't like that. I'm a father. I know my daughter. I have pictures. I have proofs. I don't want to say anything here. I've been taking care of my daughter for a very long time.
You could not even call your daughter. You call her little girl.
Listen. You don't tell me what to do. I have
okay,
proofs.
When was the last time?
When the time comes. Listen, when the time comes, I'll prove it. Don't worry about that, okay? I'm working on it. I'm not a baby.
Okay,
I'm working on all those things, you know? So just relax. You're even nervous. I don't know why you are shaking. Why are you bringing your son to defend you? You cannot even defend yourself. Your gullible followers are just writing rubbish. They don't even know about me. I'm too big to come here.